We all have the same 24 hours a day, no matter how rich, powerful, or talented someone is. They cannot buy more time. But the truth is, what we do with our minutes decides the quality of our relationships and the happiness of our lives.
Love doesn't grow by accident. It grows by intentional investment of time. So the next time you are with your partner, ask yourself, is this minute building our future or wasting it? Because if you learn to use every minute wisely, success in your relationship is not just possible, it's inevitable. Time is the most valuable currency you'll ever own. Unlike money, there is no bank where you can deposit it, no investment plan that will give you more of it, and no refund if you waste it. Every second you live is a part of your life you are spending, whether you choose to or not. You cannot hold it in your hand, but you can see its effects in your relationships, your health, and your happiness. The truth is, people often treat money as if it's priceless, and time as if it's endless. That is where the greatest mistake lies. You can lose all your money and with hard work earn it back. But once time is gone, it's gone forever. In relationships, this truth becomes even more important, because time is the foundation on which trust, love, and understanding are built. Think about how many couples drift apart, not because they stopped loving each other, but because they stopped giving each other time. At the beginning, when everything is fresh and exciting, people make time for long conversations, thoughtful gestures, and shared experiences. But as life gets busier, minutes that were once spent connecting turn into minutes spent distracted by work, by social media, by television, or simply by being physically present but mentally elsewhere. The danger is not only in losing time, it's in misusing it. Wasting money might cause temporary discomfort, but wasting time in a relationship can lead to permanent regrets. How many moments have been lost because pride stopped someone from apologizing? How many opportunities to comfort a partner passed by because one was too busy? How many memories could have been created if those minutes weren't spent on meaningless distractions? Time is the most honest mirror of your priorities. You may say you love someone, but if you cannot give them your minutes, your words will always feel empty. Every minute in a relationship is like a seed. Some seeds grow into flowers of trust, intimacy, and joy. Others grow into weeds of misunderstanding, resentment, and doubt. The type of seed you plant depends on how you choose to use your time. Spend 5 minutes listening with full attention, and you plant a seed of connection. Spend 5 minutes complaining without listening, and you plant a seed of bitterness. And just like in a garden, what you water and care for will grow. You must also understand that quality matters more than quantity, but quantity cannot be ignored. A couple might spend hours together without truly engaging, and another couple might spend only a short time but with full focus, presence, and affection, and feel deeply connected. If you want your relationship to thrive, treat your minutes as if they are gold coins you cannot replace. Before you spend them, ask yourself, will this bring us closer or push us further apart? Am I investing in our future together, or am I letting these moments slip away into nothing? The couples who succeed are not necessarily the ones with perfect compatibility or endless romance. They are the ones who understand the value of time and choose to spend it building something that lasts. Because in the end, when you look back, it won't be the money you made or the possessions you owned that matter most. It will be the moments you shared and the love you built, minute by minute. Investing in meaningful conversations is one of the most powerful ways to strengthen a relationship. Yet it is also one of the most overlooked. In today's fast-paced world, people often confuse talking with communicating. They exchange words but not emotions. They share information but not understanding. A true conversation is not just about speaking. It's about connecting. It is the art of using your words, your tone, your attention, and your presence to build trust, intimacy, and emotional safety. The minutes you dedicate to such conversations are not wasted. They are investments that bring returns in the form of deeper love and stronger bonds. Think for a moment about how much time couples spend discussing schedules, bills, or daily routines. These conversations are necessary, but they are transactional. They do not always create closeness. Now imagine taking those same minutes and using them to ask your partner about their dreams, their worries, their feelings about life.
Imagine truly listening to the answer without judgment, without interruption, without checking your phone. That is where connection happens. That is where love deepens. When you invest your time in meaningful conversations, you are telling your partner, you matter to me, your thoughts matter, your heart matters.
Meaningful conversations are not always about big topics. They can be as simple as asking, "How was your day?" and genuinely wanting to know. They can be about discussing something you're both passionate about, or even sharing a memory and reflecting on it together. The key is presence, being fully in the moment, mentally and emotionally. When you are distracted, your partner feels it. When you are engaged, they feel valued. That feeling of being heard and understood is like emotional oxygen for a relationship. Without it, love struggles to breathe.
But investing in meaningful conversations requires effort and intention. You must create space for them. This means setting aside time where you can talk without distractions, even if it's just 10 minutes before bed or during a quiet morning coffee. It also means learning to listen more than you speak. Too often, people listen only to reply, not to understand. They are quick to give advice or defend themselves instead of truly hearing what their partner is trying to express. But the goal of meaningful conversation is not to win, it is to connect.
When you invest in conversations, you also invest in understanding each other's world. You begin to see not only who your partner is today, but who they are becoming. You notice changes in their tone, their energy, their hopes. This awareness allows you to support them in ways that truly matter. It also prevents small misunderstandings from growing into big problems, because regular, open communication keeps you aligned.
There is also a compounding effect. Just like financial investments grow with time, the more you engage in deep, honest conversations, the stronger your emotional connection becomes. This creates a safe space where both partners feel comfortable sharing their truth, their fears, their mistakes, their desires, without fear of being judged. That safety is priceless. In the end, a relationship is not measured by the number of years you've been together, but by the quality of the moments you've shared. And the quality of those moments is often defined by the conversations you've had. Arguments fade, routines change, and life evolves, but the words you speak in love, care, and understanding can stay in someone's heart forever. So spend your minutes wisely. Use them to ask, to listen, to share, to dream together. Because the most valuable thing you can give to someone is not just your time, but your time filled with genuine, heartfelt connection. A relationship is like a living plant. It doesn't need a sudden flood of water once a year. It needs consistent care, sunlight, and attention. In the same way, daily interactions can either strengthen your connection or slowly weaken it. For example, greeting your partner warmly when you see them after a long day may seem small, but it sets a positive tone. Taking a few minutes to ask about their day, making their favorite tea without being asked, or sending a thoughtful message during work hours might take little effort, yet these actions communicate care, thoughtfulness, and presence. These little things add up to create an environment where love naturally grows. Growth in a relationship also comes from shared learning and experiences. Every day presents opportunities to discover something new together. It could be learning a skill, exploring a new place, or even having a meaningful discussion about life goals. These shared experiences strengthen your emotional connection and give you both a sense of progress as a couple. Even in difficult moments, there is room for growth. Disagreements and challenges, if approached with the right mindset, can teach patience, empathy, and problem solving. The key is to see them not as threats, but as chances to understand each other better and improve how you handle differences. Another important aspect of turning daily moments into growth opportunities is practicing gratitude. It's easy to take your partner for granted, especially when life gets busy. But making a habit of noticing and appreciating their efforts builds positivity in the relationship. Saying thank you for small acts, whether they made breakfast, helped with chores, or simply listened to you after a hard day, reinforces good behavior and deepens mutual respect. Gratitude shifts the focus from what's missing to what's already working, and that change in perspective encourages growth on both sides. Consistency is what transforms these small actions into lasting growth. One kind gesture or one deep conversation won't change a relationship,
But the accumulation of these moments creates a strong, resilient bond. You'll notice that you're not just spending time together, you're evolving together. You're learning how to better support each other, how to adapt to changes, and how to keep the connection alive through all seasons of life. In the end, growth doesn't happen by accident. It's a result of choosing every day to invest in your relationship. Each smile, each touch, each conversation, and each act of kindness is a brick in the foundation you're building. If you approach each day with the mindset that there is always something to learn, something to appreciate, and something to share, your relationship will not just survive, it will thrive. The moments you treat as ordinary today could be the ones you look back on years later as the reason your love grew stronger. Removing wasted emotional energy is one of the most important steps in creating a healthy, lasting relationship. Every person has a limited supply of emotional energy each day, and how you choose to spend it determines the quality of your connection with your partner. When too much of that energy is consumed by ego battles, unnecessary arguments, or dwelling on past mistakes, there's little left for love, understanding, and growth. The sad truth is that many relationships suffer not because of a lack of love, but because that love is buried under constant emotional exhaustion caused by focusing on the wrong things. In any relationship, disagreements are inevitable. You and your partner are two different individuals with unique experiences, perspectives, and personalities. The way you handle these differences determines whether they strengthen your bond or weaken it. Wasting emotional energy on proving who is right, bringing up old conflicts, or holding grudges serves no purpose, other than to create distance. The more time you spend replaying arguments in your mind, the less time and energy you have to create moments of closeness. Winning a fight might give you temporary satisfaction, but building peace will give you long-term happiness. Removing wasted emotional energy begins with self-awareness. You must recognize when you're about to react from a place of pride rather than love. Ask yourself, is this worth my peace? Is this worth damaging the connection we share? Most of the time, the answer is no. Letting go of minor irritations is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of wisdom. It shows that you value the relationship more than the temporary thrill of being right. Another way emotional energy gets wasted is through overthinking and assumption making. Instead of asking your partner directly how they feel, you might spend hours or even days creating scenarios in your mind. This not only drains you emotionally, but can also lead to misunderstandings and unnecessary tension. Clear, honest communication saves energy because it replaces guessing with knowing. When you focus on clarity instead of assumption, you protect both your emotions and your relationship. It's also important to identify triggers that repeatedly drain your emotional energy. Maybe it's a certain topic that always turns into a fight, or a pattern of behavior that sparks irritation. Addressing these issues calmly and openly can prevent them from consuming your energy over and over again. Sometimes this means setting boundaries, other times it means adjusting your own expectations. Either way, the goal is to stop feeding the same negative cycle and start creating a healthier pattern of interaction. Equally important is replacing wasted energy with intentional positive energy. The time and emotion you save by avoiding pointless conflicts can be redirected toward activities that strengthen your relationship. Shared hobbies, affectionate gestures, meaningful conversations, or simply enjoying each other's presence in peace. Instead of focusing on what annoys you, focus on what inspires you about your partner. Instead of replaying what went wrong, replay moments that made you smile. This shift in focus doesn't ignore problems, but it ensures that problems don't define the relationship. Protecting your emotional energy also means taking care of yourself individually. When you are emotionally drained from stress, lack of rest, or personal struggles, you are more likely to overreact to small issues. Self-care is not selfish. It is necessary for being a supportive, loving partner. The stronger and calmer you are emotionally, the more wisely you can use your energy within the relationship. A relationship thrives when emotional energy is used to build rather than to destroy. Every day, you have a choice: to spend your energy in battles that lead nowhere, or to invest it in actions that bring you closer together. Removing wasted emotional energy doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means addressing them with maturity, resolving them with respect, and then moving forward without carrying unnecessary emotional weight. When you stop pouring your emotions into what doesn't matter, you create space for love, peace, and genuine connection to grow.
Success in a relationship is not about luck or destiny. It's about the choices you make every single day. Time is the most valuable currency you have, and how you spend it reflects how much you value the person beside you. Every minute can be an investment in love, trust, and understanding, or it can be a missed opportunity that you can never get back. By giving your partner your presence through meaningful conversations, by turning ordinary moments into growth opportunities, and by refusing to waste emotional energy on battles that don't matter, you create a bond that not only survives, but thrives. Relationships grow stronger when you choose intention over distraction, understanding over ego, and love over pride. So use your minutes wisely, because when you look back years from now, it won't be the number of years together that matters most, but the quality of the moments you created within them.